Remember when I said ChatGPT could help you write faster? Well, that was just the tip of the iceberg. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually master ChatGPT, the techniques most people never even discover. Hi there, I'm Bytryx, your friendly little AI guide. Let's get started. Here's the truth. Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. They type a quick question, get a quick answer, and that's it. And sure, that works, but it's barely scratching the surface. The real power of ChatGPT isn't in asking simple questions. It's in how you ask, what context you give it, and how you set it up to actually understand your needs. Most people never learn this. So they end up with generic, mediocre answers, and they think, well, ChatGPT just isn't that smart. But here's the thing, it's not that ChatGPT isn't capable, it's that most people never unlock what it's actually capable of. Imagine having an assistant who remembers your preferences, understands your writing style, and gives you exactly the kind of answer you need every single time. That's not science fiction, that's ChatGPT used the right way. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, step by step. Let's start with the foundation. How you write your prompt changes everything. Tip number 1, be specific. The more details you give, the better the answer. Instead of typing, "Write me an email," try, "Write a polite follow-up email to a client about a delayed project." Keep it under 100 words and sound professional, but friendly. See the difference? Specific details give ChatGPT everything it needs to nail the answer on the first try. Tip number 2, give it a role and context. Tell ChatGPT who it should be. For example, act as an experienced marketing consultant and review my business plan. Suddenly, the answers feel more focused, more expert, and way more useful because you've told it exactly what perspective to think from. And tip number 3, don't stop at the first answer. Follow up and refine. If the first answer isn't quite right, just say, "Make it shorter," or "Make it more casual," or "Give me 3 more options." ChatGPT remembers the conversation, so each follow-up gets you closer to exactly what you need. Be specific, give it a role, and always refine. Master these 3, and you're already ahead of most users. But we're not done yet. Next, let's make ChatGPT remember you permanently. Now let's make ChatGPT actually remember who you are, so you never have to repeat yourself again. First, custom instructions. This is where you tell ChatGPT exactly who you are and how you like your answers. Go to your settings and find custom instructions. Here, you can tell ChatGPT your job, your goals, and how you like answers formatted, short and casual, or detailed and formal. Fill this out once, and every single conversation afterward automatically adjusts to fit you. Second, memory. This is even more powerful. ChatGPT can remember details across all your conversations, not just one. For example, if you mention you're learning Spanish or that you run a small bakery, ChatGPT can remember that later, even in a brand new conversation, and tailor its answers around it without you explaining everything all over again. The difference is huge. Instead of starting from zero every time, ChatGPT already knows you. Quick tip. Review what ChatGPT remembers every once in a while and remove anything that's outdated or no longer relevant. Set your custom instructions once, let memory build up naturally, and ChatGPT starts feeling like it truly knows you. And once ChatGPT knows you, it's time to show you what it can really do. Let's dive into some real, advanced use cases next. Alright, let's get into the fun part. Real, advanced ways to use ChatGPT that most beginners never try. Use case 1, analyzing data. You can upload a spreadsheet or document and ChatGPT will summarize it, find patterns, or even build a chart for you. Just upload your file and ask something like, "Summarize the key trends in this data," or "Create a simple chart showing monthly sales." It saves you hours of manual number crunching. Use case 2, coding help. Even if you've never written a line of code in your life, you can literally describe what you want in plain English, like make a simple to-do list app, and ChatGPT writes the code for you, then explains it in simple terms. Perfect for beginners who want to build something without years of training. Use case 3, learning anything faster. ChatGPT can turn complex topics into simple explanations, tailored exactly to your level. Try asking, explain quantum physics like I'm 10 years old, or summarize this research paper in simple terms. It adjusts instantly to whatever level you need. No confusing jargon required. Data analysis, coding help, and simplified learning. These are just a glimpse of what's possible once you know how to ask. And this is really just the beginning. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what ChatGPT can do for you. Alright, let's quickly recap everything we covered today. Trust me, you're going to want to remember these. Alright, let's quickly go over everything we covered today. We learned how to write better prompts by being specific, giving ChatGPT a role, and refining your answers. We set up custom instructions and memory so it actually remembers you. And we explored advanced use cases, data analysis, coding, and simplified learning. That's it. You now know more about ChatGPT than most people ever will. The only thing left to do is practice. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe. I'm dropping new AI tutorials every week, made simple, made for you. And don't forget, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Which tip are you trying first? Before you go, let me quickly tell you what's coming up next. Remember those other free AI tools I mentioned before, Canva and ElevenLabs? Next up, I'm breaking those down too, step by step, just like we did with ChatGPT today. So, if you want to master those too, make sure you're subscribed. You won't want to miss it. Learning AI doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. One small step at a time. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and thanks for learning with me today. I'm Bytryx, and I'll see you in the next one.
Wow! Here we go! So exciting! Ready!